Hey, what's going on, everyone? TechLo's back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing this unboxing of this PC that I picked up, right? And this is the Dell Optiplex 3010. It's a Core i5 3470 3.2 gigahertz. It's got 4 gigabytes, and it's also got a 500 gigabyte drive. Now, the funny thing about this PC is that this PC is an old PC. It's from like 2003, 2004. Picked this thing up on eBay for about $100 with shipping. It was actually very surprising when I got it that it came in the Dell box. I was blown away. I thought for sure that this was just somebody's PC that they had lying around and they were selling it, but it actually came in the Dell box. So here it is right here. I was kind of scouring through the internet trying to find an old PC with like really decent specs that I could just upgrade the graphics for a home theater PC, right? So if you're not familiar with home theater PCs, all you really need is a really good graphics card to push video and audio. The rest of the stuff really doesn't get used so much, right? So I grabbed this little wipey or whatever you want to call it, a little sanitation pad to wipe this thing down. Obviously, the person who sent it to me, I don't know if it was already in the box, it was just dusty, but it was a lot of dust on it. But I was actually really surprised. Even in the pictures from eBay, it had like scuffs on it, but I really don't see anything too bad that I can't just fix with a little bit of a touch-up. So the idea here is I'm going to take this case. I mean, I have everything I need in there, right, except for a good graphics card. But the motherboard inside does support a graphics card, and I have a couple of graphics cards that'll work. So I'm taking this cheap computer and I'm going to upgrade the graphics to current graphics so that we can, play video games and stream movies, run Kodi, home theater, all the home theater stuff that you would want, and keeping the price low. So, super excited, to get this thing going. And like I said, I mean, it's got an Intel Core i5, right? That's a 3rd gen processor. Going to be well more, more than enough than what I need. It's a quad core. It's got all the IOs that I need on the back. So, and even the 500 gigabyte drive will be enough for me to load basic stuff. So I'm going to grab, I believe this is a AMD 270 X, and I'm just going to go over here and grab that card, and I'm going to see if I can just kind of I can tell already just by looking at it that it's going to fit, but I'll give you guys a little glimpse of this card here. So I got this band coming down here. I'll have to probably pull that, disconnect that, put the card in and put it back on, but I could tell that it's going to fit with no problem. So this will definitely be able to push, 1080p gaming, run all the emulators and stuff like that. So, and there's a quick little shot of that graphics card. And yeah, so super stoked to get this new project going. If I can pick up a bunch of these and upgrade these, I'll be able to get these home theaters out onto the market, and this would be a great beginner's home theater.
Says he now lives and is